Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. Not a blog, basically, just a appreciation post for something that I found. So, everyone who knows me from earlier, my colleagues, not the present one, but my college friends, my school friends, and my professors and all. So, they'll know that I have a keen interest in making electronic stuff. Like So use the basic things like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and all those things. I make stuff. So I'll show you something which I started, which helped me start the journey, the microcontroller setup that I had, and and right now I don't use it. After COVID, things happened. I have stopped making these things. But until COVID, I was making all these. So yeah. So this is the board. Okay, I'll tell you the history of this. Okay, this has a very interesting history in my life. It has spent more than like I worked on this for 4 to 5, I think 5 or 6 years, and after that it has been with me. I was not using it, but yeah, this has a good history with me. So what happened that after COVID, I stopped doing the electronic stuff and all. But all the stuff that I had too many things, and it was kept with me. Yeah, in a box somewhere. So today I was cleaning it after so many years, and I suddenly found this. Okay, this is. I'll tell you what. So I'll just take out the Arduino. So this one I bought in 2016. This particular piece. This is a Uno R3. Okay, and right now you have many varieties of Uno. Sorry, Arduino. Then also we had Uno, Nano, and many things, but now you have a lot more variety. Okay, some neural things and everything, they are mixing up AI and stuff. But then we had simple boards you can just program. Now also we get that. I'm not saying that, but that time the variety was less, like 8 to 10 boards or something. So still it was fascinating. I was learning. I was in college first year or something. I first sorry, yeah. So everyone knows this, but this is for beginners or for testing stuff. When you start making real things, you'll need something like this, some PCB or something. So I would call this a motherboard. May not be, but motherboard, because this is the board where I learned everything that I practice, everything that I want to test, everything for 5 or 6 years, whatever. All the projects that I've made, I'll call that as a child project, child boards. But this is the motherboard for all. Okay. So initially when I bought this Arduino, this particular piece, then just I tried to make this plug and this thing, so I can just plug it over here. Okay. Simple. I can just plug it. That time I just had a voltage, a 5 volt regulator, 7805, and a LED light to show that power is flowing, and few pins at the sides. Okay, so just basic stuff. Okay, and this connection was for motor, I believe. This one or this one, I don't remember the wiring. I have the diagram somewhere saved, but I don't remember it. So later on, as time progressed, I wanted to try these things. Then it was some requirement in some other project and all. So I added a voltage regulator over here, analog one. Here I have then this is the serial interface I've added, so I can connect two systems. First one is this, as you all know. Second one I can connect through this SPI port, not SPI, sorry. This is like just simple serial, you got it, USB. This part is again for motors, I believe. I have to check. This is a 5 volt, 5 mm jack. Stuff you guys know, right? Then This I added in my final year. I remember clearly. This I've added in my final year. This is a 7805. Okay, this I added initially. Then somehow I managed to include this 7809 for the 9 volt input, output, whatever. This is basically for the motor. Okay, so yeah, that is it. This I don't remember. This is the input or output or what. I'll I'll keep this. I'll keep this always. But I'll try to make something new. This is still usable. I don't know. I have not turned it on yet. I have to find the charger and adapter basically, and I'll turn it on and see if it still works. So yeah, this is another one. This was a small thing I made for some project. I wanted to customize this big thing into this small by using SMD components, but like there's no space. You see, like underneath you'll have wirings. Okay, and this space will be taken by the Arduino. Just have few pins and stuff, so there's no space. So this was a flop idea, I remember, but this still has like 40% space. So yeah, this is still usable. If it is usable, I'll continue with this. Although this is old, I have to work on the, like I'll usually sand this and then wire, like solder on this. But yeah, good. This, what do we call it? Deja vu and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for all bearing me.